In this video, you will learn how you can use your MSP Portal to easily administer the users of your customers' accounts all in one place. First, we'll review how to add a new user to your Blumira parent account and then easily give that user access to one or more customer sub-accounts all from within the MSP Portal. Starting in your parent account, navigate to MSP Portal, then Users. Click Add User, and in the window that appears, type the new user's name and contact information so that they receive finding notifications. At the bottom of the window, assign the appropriate role for this user by selecting one or both checkboxes. For example, if you select Administrator, that role will apply to each account you select on the next screen. Then click Next. In the table that appears, select the specific accounts that this user needs to access. Then, click Create User. Blumira emails the user an invitation to log in and begin using the app. Now let's review how to use the same MSP Portal section to update and assign an existing user instead of having to update that user in each customer account. On the Users page, click the row of the user you want to update. In the User Details window, click Accounts. Select the checkbox next to the accounts that you want to add the user to. If you want to remove access, here is where you can clear a checkbox to remove the user from an account. Click Save Changes to complete the user update. For edits like this to an existing user, Blumira does not email a notification, but the user's access is updated immediately.